Hey everybody, it's Grant. Today's video, we're gonna talk about how I'm gonna actually improve my business and make it look better. What we're gonna do to make it a little bit more flowy. How we're gonna actually make this business maximize profitability while also making our customer experience that much better. Let's go. So in today's video, we're gonna have things like a wish list, like possibly doing a $10,000 green wall right here, or we'll have like a big old neon sign making it say Main Squeeze Juice Company, Katy, Texas, which is super nice. I do that at pretty much all of my stores. I think it would make it look really good, but this doesn't look that bad. So the wish list is kind of, do we wanna do that? Or do we wanna spend the money? And the other things are gonna be absolute necessities. So I've actually hired a design team to kind of look through the space, see what we can do, and hopefully make it look well, make it just look that much more inviting. Up here, right up this top, there's this big old blank wall. There's a big old blank wall over here, but we have these beams that kind of separate the space. So I'm not saying I know what's best, but I do think we need to do something with these big old blank walls, with all these wires hanging and all this other stuff, and make it look a little bit more inviting when you come into the store. Aside from also updating these three banners, I love this. In Houston, Texas, it is very hard to find a landlord or an HOA that's not making you not put things on the windows. They absolutely can't stand it. So by having these advertisements, this is my drive-through area. So as they come through, they're gonna see the new juice special. They're gonna see the new juice that just came out. Why they should get a smoothie. Maybe come in for a free coupon, right? Whatever we need to do to make sure they're coming in this business over and over again, so we can get that 150 transactions per day and hopefully keep our ticket average where it's at, about 17 to 20 bucks. That's $3,000 per day. That's always my goal. Anytime I see a $3,000 a day, that much better. So by sprucing this place up, maybe they're gonna come in, see it, get excited, tell their friends, and we can get those ticket averages to stay really nice. So some things aren't always super expensive. Some things are very, very subtle and small. So in a juice business, you can have the sticky floor, but what we're gonna actually do is we're just gonna put a mat here. It's gonna be from Centos. We're gonna go ahead and add it to our monthly things for our doormats and all the rest. But we're gonna put a mat here. We've been doing this in all my stores. And that way when a customer spills their juice, it ends up on the mat and that mat gets changed pretty often. And it just really cuts down on the cleaning and the upkeep and the uncomfortableness of walking through somewhere and you feel sticky. Another thing that we're gonna be doing, we're gonna spend a lot of money on training. I'm actually gonna be sending my corporate team down here where they're gonna come in and they're gonna work with my staff. Today, we did a couple trial runs with the staff, did really well, gave out some cash, but there was plenty of room for improvement. Also, the way that this is done, I'm not really super happy about stickers like this. So we're gonna be actually changing this up, making this look a whole lot better. We're gonna get it updated. And also, we're gonna make sure that we're FIFO and we're pulling things to the front. The juices should all look like Vision right now. It shouldn't be over here, shouldn't be back here. They should be pulling them up to the front, giving them a shake so that way they don't look like this, right? You wanna make sure that they don't sit to the bottom. So for instance, Youth, after you shake it, it's got a nice orange color. But when you leave it like that, it looks a whole lot less desirable when there's something at the bottom of your juice, right? Not everybody likes pulp, and you gotta make sure they understand so that way they'll purchase it. So right here, I think is another space where we can actually do something really cool. There's a lot of moss work that can happen in Main Squeeze. Like in my Missouri City store, there's something that says love yourself in moss. It's really, really cool. So I think something up here would be nice. It's a big blank space. And I think that's another good place where we can actually do something I think would really make the place pop. So now let's go to my biggest wish list. And I don't know if I could even get this done, but we're looking into it as we speak. It's this floor. So this floor is just this old school tile. It's just kind of there. All of the Main Squeezes actually use a composite material that's actually kind of squishy. It's good for your employees' feet. It's good to help keep clean. You don't have all these grout lines where you gotta deep clean it. It looks like crap. So the only bad part about this, the reason that this is a wish list, it's gonna cost probably $14,000 to put this floor in. But the reason we might not be able to do it isn't about the money. It's about we'd have to actually close the store for 2 days to do it. And I just don't know if that's worth the hassle of it. So we'd have to pull all the equipment out, put it all in the front, and close down the store so they could do this. We're looking into it to see if they can do it in stages. We're looking to it to see if we can get it done any way, shape, or form. But hopefully we can. It'd be a great thing for the staff, because come see how they work. So as you can see, we're on our feet all the time here in Main Squeeze. So 8 to 10 hours a day, everybody's coming in and out. You want to make sure that they have a better environment. So that's what this is. And you know why? You know why? Let me show you why. This is why. They like me. Oh. So another place where I think we're gonna actually make a ton of headroom, we're actually having Main Squeeze Corporate redesign this entire area to try to maximize the space. It's so crazy. This is the biggest store there is. the biggest square footage, but the most poorly used. They have the largest showroom where when I say welcome to Main Squeeze, you can't hear me all the way over there. You got so much useless space in the back that's just, it looks like a maze. And then you have also the smallest smoothie prep area in the company. So we're gonna actually try to just maximize this, better counter space, this, that, figure out what I'm gonna do with this Coke machine from the 80s. I don't even know, I've never seen this before. It's not something I do. If it stays, it stays. Corporate will let me know. So, and honestly, the budget I've set aside from the wishes to the wants and to the needs, which is this room right here, $50,000. So I am willing to put $50,000 back into this business. I got a great deal. So whether it's better for my employees, a better system for our drive-through, or just overall making the store pop and look that much better, that's what I'm after here. I hope you guys stay tuned. I hope you guys come see it after we get done with whatever we're gonna do. And my ideas, I really think the store is going to be beautiful. Like, subscribe, comment what we should do. You're seeing the store. I need your help. I don't know everything. I need your help. Why aren't you coming? Comment right about now. Like, subscribe. Bye.